We see this all the time with companies that come to us and they're looking for help, and they're mired down in detail and they're trying to figure out all this stuff. And we hear about it. Usually, the way we hear about it is they say, we really want to move forward with somebody, but we're not ready yet. We have all this stuff to figure out. And over the years, I've started to understand what's happening there. In their minds, they have to figure out all of these marketing things, which is almost like a foreign language to them, so that they can tell whoever they're hiring, their partner, their agency, whoever it is that's going to do marketing work for them, so they can tell them what to do. And here's the thing, if you're talking to an agency or somebody where you have to tell them what to do, they're probably not the right agency, because that's exactly what we do for clients. We help them solve those kinds of puzzles, and we do it faster because we've got a process that we've done 1,000 times for a couple hundred clients. And so we systematically work through the very thing that you're struggling with, and get that knocked out and get on with execution, because that's what counts. There's another thing that I see a lot, and it's after companies have spent all of this time in paralysis analysis and I call it the boardroom battle of opinions, where the CEO says it's all about price, and Sarah from sales says it's something else, and this guy says it's something else, but it's all just opinion. There's no data. And so it just goes around and around in circles. And so the time to work with a marketing consultant or firm is when you start that process of trying to figure out what to do. That's really what a good agency does, is that we help you make those decisions. We lower the risk of making the wrong decision, and we do it really efficiently. Because if we didn't do it efficiently, we couldn't stay in business 30 years.